Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I wanted to let you know, for all of you who signed up for the February Entertaining with Beth subscription box, your boxes have been shipped and they are on their way. So if you don't want to know what's in this month's box, then definitely playlist this video and you can watch it later. But for those of you who do want to know, let's see what's in February's box. Now, if you're not a subscriber to the Entertaining with Beth subscription box and you want to get some of these products, not to worry, I'll put links to everything I'm going to show you in the description. Okay, first up, you will each be receiving one of these beautiful mini cast iron skillets from Lodge. Those of you who've been following me for some time know how much I love my cast iron skillets, and Lodge makes the best, most high quality skillets out there. These mini skillets are so cute. They are 6 inches in size, and they are the perfect size for making my warm chocolate skillet cake for 2 in. Perfectly timed for Valentine's Day. So you'll be getting the recipe in the box, and then the video for this recipe will post on Friday. Now, if you're not a sweet person, not to worry, this skillet is also perfect for making my warm spinach and artichoke dip in, and you'll find that recipe in the description. Now, because these little skillets are meant to be served oven to table, I wanted to make sure that you each had a beautiful trivet for putting under the skillet. So the wonderful folks at Cherry Ridge Incorporated custom made these incredible little wood trivets for me. Aren't they gorgeous? I think they are so beautiful. They're made from Appalachian walnut and cherry hardwoods, and I think the coloration is just stunning. And you'll see it fits right under the skillet. But you can also use these as little cutting boards as well. In fact, I think they're really charming to serve a little wedge of cheese on, maybe with some crackers, or you can also use it if you had to chop some fruit up in a hurry. I just think you guys are all gonna love them. Okay, next up, I had to share something that I'm completely obsessed with these days, these beautiful hand-woven Turkish towels. I recently went through a dish towel makeover and got rid of most of my ratty old dish towels and swapped them out for these beautiful Turkish towels. They're so beautifully made from 100% organic cotton, and I just love that beige color and the herringbone pattern. They're so absorbent that they make for a perfect dish towel, especially if you're having company over, because they look so nice just hanging in your kitchen. But they're also sophisticated enough to put in a guest bath, so I use them as hand towels as well. They're the perfect size. Or you could also use them as a tea towel to place under a tray for a coffee and tea service or for a bar. And the best part about them is they go in the washer and dryer. The one tip is you do want to wash it in cold water to avoid any shrinkage, but then you can put it in the dryer. And then the next product you'll find is one of my all-time favorite kitchen tools. It's an ice cream scooper from Zerol. And this is hands down the best ice cream scooper on the planet as far as I'm concerned. I've owned mine for about 15 years. They're the type of ice cream scoop that makes that perfect ice cream ball. And that is due to the way that it's designed. It has some heat conductive fluid in the handle. In fact, when you shake it, you can hear, it sounds kind of like water flushing around in there. And that's what allows you to make that perfect scoop without having to dip your ice cream scooper in hot water. So in order to really have fun with the scooper, I had to throw in a recipe for some homemade ice cream. And you're gonna love this salted caramel ice cream. It is fantastic. In the box, you'll find the recipe card to that ice cream, and then in 2 weeks, I'll also post the video for that ice cream. The only thing about this ice cream scoop that you do need to know, though, is you can't put it in the dishwasher. So it is something that you have to hand wash, but that's okay because you will love and cherish this ice cream scooper as much as I do, and you will gladly hand wash it every time you use it. And finally, I had to throw in a little something sweet, one of my favorite products from France. You'll find these beautiful little langue de chat cookies, which are the perfect thing to garnish your salted caramel ice cream with. They're called langue de chat because their shape resembles that of a little cat tongue, and I've always been charmed by this name. I think it's so cute. Okay, everybody, that's everything that's in the February box. I hope you enjoy these things as much as I have over the years. Let me know what you think, and I will see you back here on Friday when we are going to tackle that fantastic warm chocolate skillet cake, just in time for Valentine's Day. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.
Mister, don't treat me so unkind. Mister, oh, I'd be so inclined to shut you out and cut you loose without any regrets. To shut you out and cut you loose, I'm hedging my bets. Oh, won't you come on?